Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to show you a quick project that I made. These are two bunny aprons. My daughter and I volunteer at the county fair in the bunny barn. And this is a barn where people bring and they show their bunnies during the fair. And volunteers need to be in the barn to monitor the doors and to walk around and tell people about the bunnies and to make sure that people don't put their fingers in the cage and stuff like that. My daughter and I volunteered for several hours this year, sitting at the back door and making sure people know not to put their fingers in the cages, and also to make sure nobody brings balloons into the bunny barn, since balloons are not allowed because they will scare the bunnies. Most of the people volunteering in the barn have an apron that they wear that identifies them as being a volunteer. So what I've done here is I've just purchased two aprons from Amazon.com, and then I found these cute bunny patterns on the website Applique Corner, and I embroidered them onto the aprons. Kate wanted this one with this bunny, and I decided to use this bunny. So it's just a quick project. If you'd like to see more pictures or to get a pattern, the pattern I used for this embroidery, please click the iCard or the link in the description below to visit our website needlepointers.com, and you'll find the link to the pattern there and more pictures. If you're on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website needlepointers.com to find lots of other machine embroidery projects and tutorials.